Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to take screenshots with Microsoft Edge browser. So let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open up your Edge browser. Having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to screenshot. Click on that, and then you can choose how you want to capture the screen. So you can capture a certain area. So for you to capture a certain area, simply select a certain area. So you can decide to capture this particular point right here. So you can decide to capture it, and then once you capture, click on save right here, and automatically the screenshot is going to save. So if I click on open file right here, so let's check it out. So alternatively, we can simply go back to the three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. We go back to screenshot again. So we select on that. This time around, we can decide to capture full screen. So for us to do that, what we need to do is to simply navigate to capture the full web page. And in a few seconds, everything has been fully captured. What we want to do next is to simply come here. We'll make sure we click on save, and you have the file saved successful. So you can also draw on some spots when you make a screenshot. Let's, for instance, I want to highlight this point. I can come to the drawing right here. I can change the color of my drawing. So I can decide to make it this type of yellow. I can try to circle some area. I can decide to make some draw just like so. And then once you are satisfied with everything, come back here, simply click on save, or better still, copy, or you can also use a share button. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to take screenshot with Microsoft Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.